Hi, my name is Haley. I'm here with Wild Hand, and today I'm going to show you how I did these increases using the knit front slip back method. So it's super easy and quick. Let's get started. So for this swatch, I've been increasing every third stitch in order to keep it uniform. So I'm going to start by knitting my first two stitches, and on this third stitch is where I will do the increase. So you're going to knit the stitch like normal, but don't slip it off. Leave it on your left hand needle, and you're going to take your right hand needle and grab that and slip it off. And there you have it. You have two stitches from that one. So to show you again, you'll knit the front, leave it on there, and then you're going to come around and slip the back of that stitch onto your right hand needle. And it's really that easy. Then you'll continue to knit across the rest of your work. So now I've worked along the back side. I've purled all the stitches up to where we increased, and I just wanted to show you what it looks like. So you can see where we increased, those two stitches are sitting a little closer together, and you're just going to purl each of those as normal or work them in pattern as the pattern states, and there's nothing special to it. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow us on Instagram, and we will catch you in the next video.